Look at that color. Goodbye, good. I gotta calm down because I'm about to get crunk. And I ain't even done nothing with it yet now. What is goody, y'all? It's your girl, Eva K, and I'm back at it, boo. One more again. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on my thumbnail and seeing what I had to talk about. I'm Eva K, and I love beauty, and I love hair, and I love makeup, and I love any and everything that is dealing with beauty. And sis, bro, if you like those things too, I hope by the end of this video, you'll consider becoming a part of the Eva K crew, boo. And you know how to do that, darling. All you gotta do is click the little red subscribe button down below. Now, today, y'all, I am bringing y'all some more synthetic wig drip. So, a company on Amazon reached out to me and asked me if I would like to review one of their units. The name of the company is King Dao Bob. King Dao Bob Hair. I'm gonna like put the name down here so y'all can see how it's spelled. Y'all let me know what y'all think it is. So for short, it's Cutie Bob Hair. I like that. I could deal with that. Cutie Bob Hair on Amazon. And of course, as always, I'm gonna leave all the information down below, including all the specs I'm gonna give you on the unit. Okay, so the wig came in this bag, and inside of the bag, along with the unit, they included wig cap and look here, some specs while I'm taking the unit out the bag. So it is a 22-inch copper red body wave lace front synthetic unit. The hair retails for $37.99. Look at that color. Goodbye, good. I gotta calm down because I'm about to get crunk. And I ain't even done nothing with it yet now. I'm about to get crunk. So, this is the unit. Yes, baby. Alright, so it features soft ear-to-ear lace in the front. And we have a little bit of parting space, y'all. It's just a little bit, though. But it's still parting space. Check it. Y'all, I'm loving these wig companies on Amazon because they're giving us more than some of these top brand name synthetic wig companies are giving us. Y'all, they're giving us parting space. They giving us these pre-plucked, because that was another one of their claims, that the hairline was pre-plucked. Y'all, that is nice. All right, inside the wig, you have the 2 combs on the side. 1 comb that's going to sit about right there on your head. And then we have the 2 adjustable straps in the back. No comb in the back of this unit. Let's just plop her on and see what she looking like straight up out the pack without me cutting the lace off. So the cap size is 22.5 inches. Okay, all right. Y'all, it is roomy. So I do believe that part would still, in my opinion, need to be plucked. Definitely need to add some powder to that part. All right, so I'm going to cut this lace off. I do not like cutting lace on top of my head. That's just my preference. So this lace is a little ashy, is lighter than my skin complexion. I decided to see about using this Eben tint spray on this lace. So my Eben tint spray is in the color medium brown. Yeah, so it looks like it's gonna come out okay though. All right, here we go. Okay, all right, it is definitely big head friendly. She cute, y'all. She does look wiggy though. This hair is super shiny, so yeah, she will be getting some dry shampoo sprayed on her. It's very cosplay-ish. 2 strands of hair. Alright, just making sure that my forehead is all cleaned off. Y'all don't talk about me being 2 different colors right now. Not good. Don't do that. Poor guy. Don't come for me. Let's try to do some baby hair. Now the unit has plenty of space for you to create baby hairs or to customize it as you like. Ain't nobody got time for graduate hairs, goddamn. Give me some babies. Okay, y'all, we are pretty much done. I'm gonna give y'all a 360 of this joint real quick so y'all can see how long it is. It is soft, y'all. I think for $37.99, that's not a bad price for a wig that has 2 inches deep worth of customizable area. It's big head friendly. It did not shed a whole lot, but the claim that it is no tangling, no shedding, yeah, sorry, cutie Bob. I'm gonna have to call y'all out on that one, baby. It does tangle and it does shed. Not terribly though, especially for it being a colored unit. All right, let me show y'all this real quick. Do not come for me in my fit, okay? Here we go. Here is a 360. Y'all, why I ain't pulled my camera up none? This is from the side. You see how long it is? Say 22 inches, but that's pretty long. This is from the back. This is from the other side. All right, so let's take this off and see what we working with. Oh, she cute. She cute. She real cute. She a baddie. Yeah, so I will leave Cutie Bob's information down below in the description box. You guys make sure y'all go check them out on Amazon, and thank you again, Cutie Bob, for sending me this unit to review. She took a little work, but she came out nice. All right, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and if you ain't subscribed, sis, stop playing, girl. I pray God continues to keep y'all and cover y'all and bring y'all back to me. I love y'all.